afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 54. And the instruction for answering this question says, shows the word or group of words that best completes each of the following sentences. And the sentence for question number 54 says, we enjoyed ourselves dash much at the party. Dash much at the party. We enjoyed ourselves dash much at the party. Now, you see, in relation to question number 52, you see the condition of much here. Then I say too much. B say that. Option C say as. Option D say very. You cannot enjoy yourself too much. No, there's nothing like too much, because you can't take in more than your possible capability. So this is not possible to take in more than what you can consume. So you cannot enjoy yourself too much, no, because the word too here is an indication of excess. So it's not possible, so we cannot have it. Then that we enjoyed ourselves that much at the party. We enjoy ourselves that much at the party. Then let me show you something here. We enjoy ourselves as much at the party. This cannot go, we all know it. Now let us now look at option D. We enjoy ourselves very much at the party. Now let's look at the debate between very and that. Because one will wonder that is it possible to say that we enjoy ourselves that much at the party? And we enjoy ourselves very much at the party. Now, both that and very are correct. Yes. The only difference between that and very is the condition by which the person is expressing himself or herself, because the subject here are plural. So, or the condition by which they are, that we enjoy ourselves that much at the party. So so in fact, as a matter of fact, very is not the correct adjective to qualify this particular much. Yes, because much is an adverb in this content. It's an adverb, adverbial word. So very is not the adjective to use. We enjoy ourselves very much, but the condition of the person, or what the person is trying to say here, is that the availability of what they needed, or what is available for them to enjoy themselves. That is what the speaker is saying, and that's why it is best say that we enjoyed ourselves that much at the party. It is not too much, it is not very much, and it is not as that much. That is, there is a sense of satisfaction in the party. So we're enjoying ourselves that much at the party. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.